Are you in search of amazing student housing in Sheffield? Look no further than Sovereign Newbank, a stellar stay boasting the best of amenities. Situated on Queen Street, it offers a range of studios, private and shared apartments. Each room here features a window, creating an airy and well-lit atmosphere. A plush bed ensures comfort, while the chic study desk, equipped with drawers and overhead shelves, provides space for all your stationery supplies and books. Moreover, the wardrobes offer ample storage for clothing items, and private bathrooms afford personal space. The kitchen has a microwave, fridge, and cooktop, allowing you to prepare your favorite meals. Additionally, the common facilities include a gym for quick workouts and a private study room with free high-speed Wi-Fi for completing those due assignments. Conveniently located near Sheffield Hallam University and the University of Sheffield, Sovereign Newbank is a popular choice among students. Nearby amenities such as Tesco Express and Sainsbury's Local make daily life hassle-free. For dining options, Ning's Thai Street Food and Zizzy, Sheffield Leopold Square are just a stone's throw away. Take the first step toward your ideal student living experience by booking your stay at Sovereign Newbank through emberstudent.com.